There it was, some more amazing Louisiana music for you right here on LA On Air with Bray J.
You're listening to the hottest internet station.
Live from the Lake City, this is LA On Air with Bray J. Broadcasting from the great state of Louisiana to the world, this is LA On Air with Bray J.
It's gotta be dynamite.
So, making a mention of this for a good friend of mine, I'm going to go ahead and introduce her by what I believe she selected as her stage name. The Starlet Dahlia is going to be her name on stage. She's looking right now for Burlesque Lovelies. If you love to burlesque dance, auditions are going to be held at Tipitina's. That's at the corner of 12th and Hodges on Wednesday, January 8th at 4 p.m. So, coming up this Wednesday, they're doing auditions. You can contact them on Facebook, and we're going to post that on our page as well, the details. And this is what it says in the post. Ladies, it doesn't matter what size you are, as long as you can provide money for your own costumes, devote time to learn, dance, perform with a gorgeous smile, you're in. It's that simple. So if you're interested, again, Tipitina is located at 12th and Hodges. Shout out to Tipitina's. We appreciate them here in the Lake City and across Louisiana. Wednesday, January 8th at 4 p.m., be there. They're going to start performing their dance moves so you can try out. And they're forming and developing the Lake Charles Burlesque Troupe. So
that's pretty cool.
Yes, definitely.
You know, I'm not saying I want to join, but, you know, I'm sure there's plenty of women they're willing to in this town. I've seen them. Ladies, I've seen you, really.
Okay. There you go. Check it out.
Let's do this.
Here it is, getting back to the music for you right here on LA On Air. Our good friends out of Baton Rouge, it's the Squirt Gun Warriors. Right here on LA On Air with Front Runner.
Look at me, my feet are buried down beneath the street, 'cause I'm no front runner, and I'm falling behind. And I tried to stop and catch my breath, but I got pushed aside. Jokes on me, and I heard it while I was asleep. I've been sleep running, I'm running all the time. And I just wanna run my life on the side. Attend to it at my free time. Attend to it. Hide and seek. It isn't fun when they're chasing me like I'm some front runner. Not this time. I'm just an underdog kid running from behind. Caged and free. It's like a bullet straight to my knees. I'm slow and unsteady. I can't move 'cause I'm not ready. And I can't hear anything without forgetting. And I wanna attend to it at my free time. Attend to it. I shot just below expectations. I'll die a death by information. I could do something like a vacation. I'm in craving, plus hesitation. And me, my feet are buried down beneath the street, 'cause I'm no front runner. Yeah, I'm falling behind. And I just wanna run my life on the side.
Oh, I've seen the light, and now I cannot hide. Oh, I've seen the truth. You're all I
time to wait for reparations. LP is the world's new sensation. I see what's mine, so now I'm taking. I'm about to perform a demonstration. Now I'm rocking shows and stunting on. No free t-shirts or free downloads. Look at sash tips, keep on faking. I demand that bread, cheese, and bacon. Let me get that about ya. Let me get that about ya. About ya. Let me get that about ya. Yeah. Let me get that about ya. About ya. I am the great one, that's no faking. I allow my light and fly Jamaican. Yeah, man. Airlines and hairlines be heartbreaking. Go ahead and smile, the whole world's waiting. Now I got my dough, let's start the show. All pretty, the front row. Look at sash tips, keep on faking. I demand that bread, cheese, and bacon. Let me get that about ya.